First, I switched the site to English using the language selector in the header. You get 3 days free with no card, and all models are available. Luna is the most economical model. Terra is balanced and a good everyday choice. Sol is the flagship for complex reasoning. Code focuses on coding, and Opus is the strongest model. The free plan includes Luna, web chat, and image generation and chat. Its weekly limit is 2 million input tokens and million output tokens. The service does not save the text of your requests or model responses on its servers. Web chat history stays in your browser. Only token counters and cost enter the database. The documentation brings together the gateway address, key setup, model aliases, client configuration, and streaming, where the response arrives as it is generated. The application programming interface is compatible with OpenAI clients. Enter the same address and key in Cline, Continue, Cursor, Aider, or Z using ordinary chat mode. These are different tools for different tasks. The terminal agent reads project files, makes changes, runs commands, and checks results. Browser chat is an ordinary conversation, needs no installation, and cannot access your files. Payment and limits are shared. Compared with separate subscriptions, the practical benefit is shared access to a set of language models through the application programming interface, terminal tool, and web chat. OpenAI.AmoryMe.com. Review the models and weekly plans, and choose the access that fits your work. Pro is